Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with the G, the fireman. Not Capitan, no. Not Anthony B, no. They are with Rastan, the fireman. Don't know the man in all is a blaze fire. So we're there with one called Greetings. So we're gonna jump in the one here and hear what the G have to say. Rastan big up himself, you know. You don't know. Look on the boss and I'm suit. The boss suited and booted clean like Jesus Police record. Yeah. So we're gonna jump in the one here and hear what the G have to say. Let's go, Elder.
Yeah, greetings, kick chunks of the meeting. Greetings. This is Rastan, I'm in your weak link. Greetings. It's no easy to defeat him.
Yeah.
Yeah, me lyrics them have a design. When men chant for me lyrics, them refine.
So the boss will tell us, say, yo, him lyrics them have a different. Basically, the boss will tell us, say, yo, him not chat no foolishness. When him chat him lyrics them, you know, so them connect them after different. Yeah.
When men chant for me lyrics, them refine. The words them when me speak them divine. Me no time for think but resign. Me no bad credit, so me no expect decline. Me
you hear that? The boss say, yo, him no bad credit, so him no expect no decline. So once him put a foot forward and put out him lyrics them, you know, see a straight positivity. And that's the boss there. Yo, me enjoy doing reaction to Rastan's music, yo. They like a beer, like relatable subject the boss there with that.
Resign, me no bad credit, so me no expect decline. Me I go keep it positive, that is my prerogative. It no need no additive. This is Rastan on the mic, hear the words me vomiting. Got the style and the
Rasta on the mic, hear the words me vomiting. Not speaking, no, hear the words that's coming from deep within. I vomit it out.
This is Rastan on the mic, hear the words me vomiting. Got the style and the concept really haunting him. Don't try to lift my bars them. This is not the gym. You will lose your hand, lose your foot, lose every limbs.
You hear that? Not try that, dog. You will lose everything. Hold on, man. Run it again, man. Man, one Rastan, man. Again, let's go.
Yeah. Greetings, kick chunks of the meeting. Greetings.
Let's go.
This is Rastan, I'm in your weak link. Greetings. It's no easy to defeat him. Yeah, me lyrics them have a design. When men chant for me lyrics, them refine. The words them when me speak them divine. Me no time for think but resign. Me no bad credit, so me no expect decline. Me I go keep it positive, that is my prerogative. It no need no additive. This is Rastan on the mic, hear the words me vomiting. Got the style and the concept really haunting him. Don't try to lift my bars them. This is not the gym. You will lose your hand, lose your foot, lose every limbs. You will lose all your crown. Yes, you thought you was a king. If your girl was the beat, me ride that till the morning. You there.
Man say first of all, the boss say, yo, you will lose all your crown because you thought you was the king. Then, if your girl, you hear the part of the man? If your girl was the beat, me ride that till the morning. Move from there. Move from there. No, that in a man. Yes, man. Let's go.
Lose your foot, lose every limbs. You will lose all your crown. Yes, you thought you was a king. If your girl was the beat, me ride that till the morning. You there dance all a chat and people there yarning. Give me the mic.
You there dance all and chat and people there yarning. Brother, you're boring. Boring.
You there dance all a chat and people there
yarning.
Give me the microphone, me use it like a weapon, can him. You shoulda listen, Rasta.
The man say, yo, give me the microphone, me use it like a weapon and can him. Yeah. Musical weapon.
Give me the microphone, me use it like a weapon, can him. You shoulda listen, Rasta, and eat the warning. You wouldn't have your career over there so free falling.
You should have heed the warning, brother. You should just listen. Like TikTok in your ears, you never did I listen. Know your career over the Sadoa. Jesus Christ, a department.
They warning you wouldn't have your career over there so free falling. You never listen. Now you have to learn. Lyrically you will get burned. This is not your turn. Eradicate the germs. These are the facts. Yes, me treat my lyrics just like me strap. Anytime I pan the corner, you sit resting on my lap. Time in it.
Me treat my lyrics them just like me strap. Every time I dip on the corner, lyrics them in on my lap.
Me strap. Anytime I pan the corner, you sit resting on my lap. Time in him, I kill it. I hope you got the concept. Music is not a competition, but me not afraid of contest. Yes, my style.
Music is not a competition, but you what? Me not afraid of contest. So if a boy want to show what them head, lyrically me tear tars. That's what the G tell us. I'm not afraid of contest.
Music is not a competition, but me not afraid of contest. Yes, my style and my lyrics always have a context. No.
Let me just stop it for a minute and give the constructor of these beats that he's using some credit. Give him them flowers, man. Real authentic reggae rhythm, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, man. My style and my lyrics always have a context.
Yeah.
No wonder underestimate, cause it will cause you distress. Me no know who you out there try impress. But nevertheless, me a go wish you nothing but progress. Step.
I don't know who you out there try impress. I try to show off your dirty stinking self in a brother. But here I go on, I go wish you all the best here, man. I have no bad vibes against you, no?
Impress, but nevertheless, me I go wish you nothing but progress. Step lightly, me wouldn't want you pass you. I just, in other words, me wouldn't want you fly past you. Yes, me would.
Step lightly. Wouldn't want you pass your just. Hey, in other words, me wouldn't want you pass your nest. Hey, don't pass your place, you know? That's what the G tell you. Don't pass your place.
Pass you, I just. In other words, me wouldn't want you fly past you. Yes, me would have to ask you how we are disrespect.
How we are disrespect?
To your answer, me would have to take step. If you want competition, tell your girl give me a text. Yes, she have me number from the last time we met. I joke.
If you want competition, tell your girl give me.
If you want competition, tell your girl give me a text.
If you want competition, tell a girl give me a text. Me have her number. Well, she have my number from the last time we did that text.
Yes, she have me number from the last time we met. I joke me, I met nobody broke in a cold sweat. Look.
The boss say, yo, a joke I make. Nobody start fret and start watching a cold sweat. No, a joke me I make. Rasta, no joke you make. I know joke you make. You have the G number. You have the G woman number from, well, the G woman have your number from them time when you have text. Yeah.
Last time we met.
A part about them, I like it.
Nobody broke in a cold sweat. Look at you. You already think say life is hopeless. And you can't find your words. Seem like say you have bad nerves. Call the doctors, call up the nurse. Seem like say my heart it hurt. Me never listen. Now you have to learn. Lyrically you will get burned.
Get burned.
This is not your turn. Eradicate that the germs. You must see dead. Are you a freak? No man can go like I saw walk round a live. Medically no make no sense. You sound like a kid. Sound like you no have no knowledge. Me ask how you live. And no ganja you a smoke coke you a play with. It look like you don't like the way oh you live. I just the DJ vibes. Rasta.
Oh, clad. I've a customer do the one the legal over here. Yo, when the boss say yo, if you like the part where him say about the girl, if she was a rhythm in a rider till the morning, the part there really stand. You know why? The boss dip on the rhythm, the boss no miss a beat, dog. How so the boss go dip on your girl and ride it till I'm Jesus Christ. The boss full of lyrics. Rastan full of lyrics, bro. No joke. Rastan, big up yourself, yo, yeah. Big up yourself, yo, yeah, man. Me gonna leave a link to that song, ya dog, down in the comment section. Me gonna please go over and page and tell him to you me sending it. Drop a like on the video, dog, and just subscribe to him channel. You see me? Music like this deserve to be out there more. Music like this deserve to be to the forefront. These music are nice, clean music. You can just vibe to. You can all drive and understand all that deep, and understand listen to the music and a bounce head. You see me? Yeah. It's not about the boogie yaga all the time, man. You know? Sometimes you have to switch it up and grow. Grow with the music. But yeah, Rasta, look at myself, man. Bad song. We like that one. No joke, no capting, no cap talk, no shop talk. Yeah. But I'm going to leave the one I said. If you enjoy the one I want, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.